There we go. That's what we needed. That's one. Oh, that's almost one.
Almost down.
He's down. 2 archers, a little annoying.
Yeah. Dropping the stun.
You can hit this guy ISO. Way too far. Archer means getting low. One down, one down.
Ah, I got interrupted. Alright, dropping the stun.
Murdering this guy.
Down.
Good. Oh, boys! Boys!
Fuck yeah. Okay, that's the one. Dropping the stun.
What press? Oh, you murked him.
Two more down.
Oh,
Dropping the stun.
oh he's getting killed. GG's!
A lot of damage. That's a lot of damage.
Seer's down.
Wall. That's my wall over here. Speed boost.
Holding him back.
Mage is down.
Goop,
Let's
goop,
go.
goop. Oh, they're stuck in a wall up here. They're stuck in a wall over there. Oh, oh. I got 2 on me. Both low.
Dropping the stun. Dropping the stun.
One down. Two down.
Nice. Two down. The other one's dead. Good stuff.
Ooh. Murder. I'm in. Heal. Switch up, switch.
Last one.
Way better.
Oh my god.